So today we're going to unbox the Seiko Prospex. It's the SLA033. This is a re-edition from 1970. Originally it was called the Willard. This is the outer cardboard box that the watch comes in. The model number, the reference number, the serial number are on the outside of the box. We have our own personalized tag as well, which helps us reference it for internal purposes. When you open the watch and pull the inner box out, you get the blue box, the warranty card, instructions. The watch box simply opens up like this. It's packed extremely well and protected with the styrofoam foam that you just saw me replace. We'll pull that aside. The watch is wrapped in plastic from the factory. So is the buckle. The buckle is wrapped extremely well. You'll see the tags that are done from the factory in Japan that state the certifications and more details about the watch, including the retail price and reference number as well. The leather cushion is what I'm holding right now. I'm going to take it off and just simply slide it across. You will just take the plastic off the watch. It's sealed in the back, so simply unattach it from the back, pull it around, and the watch is completely exposed. There is the front of the watch. Again, it's the reference number SLA033. It's a 45mm watch in diameter. The thickness is 13mm. It's a stainless steel case. The dial is obviously black and the markers are applied, which means it's not a stamped dial. There is luminescence on the hands and on the indexes. This watch is water resistant to 200 meters. The waffle pattern silicone strap is unique to Seiko. It's extremely comfortable. I've worn the strap on several occasions and it wears extremely well. The offset crown at the 4 o'clock position also makes the watch interesting, as well as making it true to its reproduction. I'm going to open the warranty cards and the instructions. The warranty is done in several different languages. It's very easy to set, very easy to use. The warranty card is in the very back of the booklet. This is the front. This opening up at the very back. This is the back. This is the warranty card. It's your certificate of limited warranty. This is what you'll receive with all your brand new purchases from Seiko, Prospex, and Presage. You'll rotate this around. This card will be filled out with the watch serial number, the case number, the date of purchase, the purchase by, which will be an authorized dealer, and it will also include a dealer's stamp. Thank you very much for viewing. Please visit exquisitettimepieces.com.